Hi, now before we start the video, right, I want to give a quick shout out to twatpushats.com, link in the description. They make such good hats. Look at this one here. That's twatpushats.com. Now let's get into the video. Guys, welcome back to this sick ass video. I hope you clicked on that link for the hats. Yeah, right, we're going to be reviewing some Minecraft Legos. Oh, they call these Minecraft Legos. Right, it's called Lego Minecraft Build Your Own Creation Jungle. Right. You can get here's all the figures, right? You can get an Alex, a Steve, a Freaky Creeper, a Skeleton, an Ocelot, and a Sheep, right? Yeah, very nice figures, right? Right, now time to check the back of the box. Right, so I built this, what it says basically, if you knew that, if you want thick-headed twat. Sorry for cussing. Anyway, build your own creations, building and engaging creation, construct 10 property creation, construct 2 property creation, concept et tool propesiacos, epite mesaku akin. I think that's all in French, like. Anyway, so this is set number 21125, and it shows all the fun things to do. You see all those fun things? Right, now time to go into the health and safety section. Let's see. Some do not eat, do not give to children under 3, small choking parts. Some Lego may include toxic chemicals in some bricks.